Welcome to our guide on writing a nursing concept analysis paper. Whether you're new to nursing studies or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will take you through the essential steps to analyze and explore a nursing concept effectively. Let's dive in. First, selecting the right concept is vital. It should be relevant to nursing practice, spark your interest, and offer rich literature for exploration. Consider concepts that address current challenges in nursing or reflect on your clinical experiences. Once you've selected your concept, it's crucial to define it precisely. Dive into nursing literature to find various definitions and synthesize them into a clear, comprehensive understanding. Remember, a well-defined concept is the foundation of your paper. Next, identify the antecedents and consequences. Understanding what precedes and follows your concept will provide insights into its impact on patient care and nursing practice. Defining attributes comes forth. These are the characteristics that make your concept unique. Identifying these will clarify your concept's application in nursing. Now construct a model case. This is a hypothetical scenario that illustrates your concept in action, helping to bring theory into the realm of practical application. Exploring borderline, related, and contrary cases will further refine your understanding, helping to delineate your concept's boundaries and relationships with other concepts. Define empirical reference. These are observable elements that prove the presence of your concept, essential for research and clinical practice. Finally, synthesize your findings. Reflect on the implications for nursing theory, research, and practice, and consider areas for future inquiry. This structured approach will enhance your understanding and communication of nursing concepts, contributing significantly to your academic and professional development.